first break in Bollywood. What was that feeling?
I feel like I had a very lucky moment. I sang in Chennai Express.
Yes.
That was my first. Chennai Express.
One actor you really wish to, play back for?
Ayushmann Khurrana.
Wow.
Because we could both sing.
Yeah.
We could both be on screen.
Yeah. What was the experience of meeting Deepika?
I met her very briefly again at the audio launch. She was very, very sweet and very warm. I've only hung and chilled and bounced ideas off of Arijit Singh once. And for the first time, he decided he wants to bring out a collaborating artist. He's so charming. He makes you feel like he's not the only important person in the room. He makes you also feel like I was doing the song Chennai ke khet mein.
Oh God, what kind of crazy boy is he?
ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह.
Nah.
Oh shit. ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवान.
देखिए बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते हैं जब कोई गाना रिलीज होने से पहले ही हमको सुना दिया जाए, दिखा दिया जाए. और ये इंटरव्यू चालू होने से पहले जोनाता just randomly she just told me that hey, I'll make you just have a look to the music and to what we've created. And when I saw it, I was like, we know that you are a goat in singing, in music. Oh my God, the way she has danced. It is like +1, +2, +3, infinite. Oh my God. Jonatha.
You're making me emotional.
Goddess.
I can't believe you just called me a goat.
Because, yes. फिल्मी ज्ञान और दिशा जसोरिया जोनिता गांधी का स्वागत करती है. क्लैप 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 क्लैप. सबसे पहले तो कैसे हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ. Of course I had to show you the song by the way. हम गाने के बारे में बात करने से पहले you should see
जी.
and get a vibe
Yes.
of what the song is.
Yes.
But yeah, very special preview Disha got that you all did not get. Do you feel jealous?
Yes. But I guess many other people are going to feel jealous and maybe a bit insecure of what you did in with this song. Yes, with the song and with the dance. Talk us through that. Gana chhod do pehle. What is that dance? This is not
why
acceptable.
I showed her the video.
This is not acceptable of what you did.
It's not acceptable.
Yeah.
Why? I'm trying to show everybody that हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं. Okay. Especially as a female artist, singer, we are also making moves, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
For all the ladies. So yeah, watch out. It is pretty spicy, है ना?
It is. It got me hooked. Though I am a girl, but it literally got me hooked. I was like, what is she doing? This is so good. But talk us through this song. Dance की तो बात करी, but talk us through this song. क्या दिमाग में आया? What was that first initial, conversation, the lyrics and everything? What was that?
That day, I think I came to the studio and I was very, I was in a very, I think, aggressive mood. The song is very, you'll feel a little bit of aggression in the song, in the video also. And that's why I felt like, let's make a song today about being beparwa, about being careless, carefree, not careless. About living life on my own terms. Why not?
Obviously.
And not relying on anyone else, basically. You know, mile ya na mile the pyar. Main bach ke rehndi haan. I do my own thing, basically. And I think people will resonate with this message. I hope.
It's not about hoping. I am sure now.
So sweet.
After looking at the video.
Also, in the video, I wanted to be like, this thing has come out, I feel like, in terms of my desire to be a pop star, I feel like is what's coming out in this video.
Yeah.
And I've been waiting to do a song and video like this because it's who I am and people don't know this about me. They think that I'm whatever they might know of me. They might be forming their own opinions based on that.
लोगों को अभी शायद एक अलग जोनिता दिखेगी, जोनिता 2.2. Who can dance, who can act, who can perform, who can
ever-evolving Jonita.
Yes, exactly. But one thing with you, Jonita, is that you've been like, if I see the career graph, you've been the consistent in terms of delivering good hits. अब आप वो मानते हो नहीं मानते हो, that is, I mean, there are many singers who don't.
Disha said it, it's true.
Yeah, you've been the consistent singer who's delivering at the same time growing on her own space. and pace.
Mm.
What do you have to say when I say that you are like delivering good hits to Bollywood?
I don't take credit for that, to be honest. वो
People don't
हमारे
give.
हाथ में नहीं होता.
Oh.
Okay, अगर hit बन जाए कि नहीं.
Hmm.
It's very random, I feel. But also it's a blessing, I would say, more than anything else, to have the opportunity to sing in films and to sing songs with such renowned composers and incredible musicians. I just feel lucky that I have that platform. Not everybody gets that. So in addition to that, I'm also now paving my own path in this non-film world, where I'm trying to show people who I am as a person also, not just as a...
Yes. I just get अभी मैं I was scrolling my Instagram and अभी कुछ दिनों की ही बात है. I got very emotional by hearing that one part of yours you sang with A.R. Rahman sir tour पे तेरे बिना.
Oh yeah.
That part, I literally had tears.
Oh my god.
That came so purely. Like random reel I was scrolling, Jonathan was scrolling, and then I was like, and I literally मैंने उस चीज को 5 से 6 बार सुना है. Just your part where you did.
Oh my god, you can sing also, huh?
Yeah, so that no, I cannot
that
sing
was
better
low-key
than
really good. Oh my god, you sing so well. Keep singing.
पीली पीली धूल उड़ाए झूठा रे.
Oh my god. Okay, can I teach you my song now also? Can you sing Beparwahi with me, please? You're so good.
I mean, we can do that when we end it like a proper
Okay,
thing.
but I'm teaching it to you now. You remembered and you sing it.
Yeah.
Beparwahi, haan. Beparwahi, haan. Beparwahi, haan. Beparwahi, haan. Is that too hard? Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Should I give you an easier part? Mile na mile the pyar, labbe na labbe koi yaar, bach ke rendiyan, sang di rendiyan. Mile na mile the pyar, labbe na labbe koi yaar, bach ke rendiyan, sang di rendiyan. Oh my god, so good. Did you know she can sing? They're also laughing. The cameramen are laughing.
No, but it's
This
about
is
you.
about her.
It's about you.
It's about the rising,
No,
rising
please.
star Disha.
This is
Who's
not
gonna be
about
a singer
me.
also.
This is not about me, but this is about you coming back
But
to
I'm
this.
so selfish. I made you sing my song. Thank you for being a good
No,
sport.
we'll sing it like properly.
Okay, done.
Yeah, we'll sing it properly, definitely. But that part just made me emotional of what you sang there. My God, Jonita, so pure, so pure. मेरे लिए, you're that one artist who sings with so much of purity.
That's so sweet.
But then, if I have to just, मैं आपसे पूछूं, what इतने time में ऐसा ही कौन सा गाना है which is like very close to your heart? From the movies, yes, from the movies of yours.
Of mine.
Of yours.
Okay. That's very close to my heart. There's one song called Ahista from Laila Majnun.
No, my God, I was
love
literally going to take a different moment for this particular thing. Ahista has been my favorite, especially your part.
I love that song. Niladri Kumar, shout out. Arijit Singh, shout out. Sajid Ali, shout out. Wait, who's written the lyrics? I have to give them a shout out now. Who wrote Ahista? Somebody tell me, and then you can cut this part out and pretend like I remembered. Is it Irshad Kamil?
I guess Irshad Kamil ji hai.
He's the best. It must be him only. So they're checking.
That line.
I was. जहाँ के झूठे हैं लोग आधी जहाँ के झूठे हैं मेरे होना आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. What lyrics by Irshad Kamil ji also.
And then your voice just
Oh, thank you.
I always मैं वही सोच रही थी कभी जोनिता से मिलूंगी ना I'll just talk about songs, her songs. विदा करो.
You know, I'm so happy you like this song. Vida Karo also, oh my god.
My God, what did you?
I got so lucky that I got that song, seriously. Love that song.
That was like, for me, it was like Aahista ke baad any song of yours
Yeah.
is Vida Karo.
Actually, yeah.
That was very beautiful of
So
you
depressing
doing
also.
that.
I
It
love
was
depressing songs.
same. I don't have that depression or something going around in my
No.
life, but you just connect yourself और आप imagine करने लगते हो कि यार ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है क्या जिंदगी में.
It becomes a background score to
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
It makes you feel very filmy also.
Yeah,
sometimes.
but then
Filmy Gyan. Filmy.
इतनी हमने इधर उधर की बातें कर ली. I'll get back on track.
I'm still stuck on her being the next superstar singer.
No.
That's where my mind got stuck.
But then आपके childhood के मैं लेके जाती हूँ बचपन में. जोनिता बचपन में कैसी थी मुझे ये जानना है.
Jonita. Bachpan mein I was kind of naughty, I guess.
You're still naughty.
I'm a second sibling, no? I'm a second child. So I used to bug
Same.
my brother and bug my parents. And there's videos of me also bugging him and yelling at him and screaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then like was music
But-
was music there from the childhood? क्या गाना
Yeah,
पहले से?
but 4 saal se main at least I'm dancing.
Yeah.
Singing though I started later, like 7.
Hmm.
But I've been dancing since I was 4. Imagine like a tiny little Jonita with like frizzy hair. Kutu, 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 kutu. I was doing the song. All of this I've done.
Yeah.
Fun. I'm still the same.
You should be. I just like your vibe. It's like the carefree.
You know when she walked in today? no shame and full like disclosure. She walks in, I was sitting like this.
And then she's like,
Then I got up.
यार sorry मैं ऐसे बैठ सकती हूँ. मतलब अरे it is all yours please. And then she got up and like आप वैसे ही हो जाओ. And then she's like again.
Again, I just like spread myself on this couch. And she was too cool. She's like, no, chill. Go for it.
Yeah. So nice. This is
But
such a
that's
nice
me.
conversation. I like these kind of interviews. We're talking everything.
I love when the interviewer sings to me.
No.
Bro, like this never happens.
Then
I always have to sing to you, like to them.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is
I
nice.
know. But then that first break in Bollywood, what was that feeling?
Disbelief, I think. I feel like I had a very lucky moment. I sang in Chennai Express.
Yes.
That was my first. The get on the train, baby. Chennai, Chennai Express. That song was what a riot. That film also what a riot.
Yes.
So I had gone and I sang it like a scratch.
Mm.
Vishal Dadlani had said, hey, we need a female on this. SP Balasubramaniam has sung the male section. I was like, whoa, like he's not been singing in Hindi for a long time. So he was making a comeback, and then they gave me this part to sing. And then I think 2-3 months later, call aaya ke lock ho gaya. And then my voice was in the movie.
Wow.
And then I was chilling with Deepika Padukone and Shah Rukh at the launch, like the audio launch.
Yeah.
And I was like, what is my life?
I've heard one thing about Deepika is, I mean, from other actors or whosoever the contemporaries are, that when you're around her, she gives you that warmth. She's the kindest girl you'd ever come across. What was your experience of meeting Deepika?
I met her very briefly again at the audio launch. She was very, very sweet and very warm. Even Shah Rukh sir, oh my god.
Oh, we'll talk separately about Shah Rukh Khan.
No, let's not. Let's
Why?
talk now.
Okay, I mean, first let's complete Deepika.
Okay, I mean, I didn't get to hang with her as
Yeah.
such, but whatever I experienced was very angelic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Wow.
she seems very, very, very sweet.
Yeah, and what about Shah Rukh Khan? I
Yeah.
mean,
Okay,
let's talk about that.
He's so charming. And then I met him maybe once or twice after that, and he
Yeah.
remembered who I was.
And
that's all. Like, he's just the smallest things he'll like ask you.
Yeah.
He makes you feel like he's not the only important person in the room. He makes you also feel like you're important.
And does he smell really good? What people?
From what I remember, yes, he does.
Okay.
He does smell really good.
But आपने अभी mention किया that your first was Chennai Express
Yeah,
with such a legendary singer,
I know.
right?
Crazy.
Then you've collaborated with A.R. Rahman sir, जो शायद कई सिंगर्स की ख्वाहिश होती है,
Yeah, मेरी
कई
भी थी.
सिंगर्स की ख्वाहिश होती है,
Of course.
जो पूरी हो जाती है, कभी कभी पूरी नहीं हो
Of
पाती है.
course, yeah.
Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
I mean, you are just pitching and placing yourself ऊपर to the global level. How does that feel? पहले तो how does that feel
It
representing
feels-
India globally?
It feels amazing. It feels stressful. It feels exciting. And it feels like, again, I feel blessed. I feel grateful.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel like it's a big responsibility also because I really want to do something cool and I really want to represent what my story is and my background and being Indian and being brought up elsewhere. Like
Yeah.
all of that, I just want to do it in the best way. And I
Hmm.
feel like it's a big job.
Hmm.
So I don't take it lightly. And that's why I'm trying to elevate like every live performance, every music video, every song. I just want it to be something that's better than before.
But have you noticed this one thing about you, which is the talk of the town, is the jodi of you and Arijit Singh, the
Hmm.
songs
Yeah, a lot of the songs are with him.
hit, and all are hit.
I mean, it's all because of
What-
him, bro. I
No.
can't- I can't
Again,
say
again.
again.
I no. I just want you to not say that,
Okay, fine.
because
No, but I'm a huge Arijit fan, just saying.
everyone is.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone is, but then you have your own part.
Yeah.
देख रहे हो? But then ये जो hit जोड़ी है, what is it? Is there a formula? Do you guys sit? There's a vibe, there's a connect, because there's a pure
No, one
connect.
time I've only hung and chilled and bounced ideas off of Arijit Singh once, and recently he was performing in Delhi, and for the first time he decided he wants to bring out a collaborating artist. He had never done that
Yeah.
before, bringing out like a female singer, and so his team had gotten in touch. So we jammed at his studio, or whatever the studio he works at in Andheri, and that was like the first time I was hanging out with him, and we were thinking about all the songs we've done together. We were writing them down, and that's when I realized I was like, wow, like I have a lot of songs with him that I love, but also his songs, like it's just infinite.
Which is that one song which is like your all-time favorite of his?
You know, this one part. Sorry,
Yeah.
this isn't maybe my favorite,
Yeah.
but there's this song from I think Kill Dil.
Okay.
It's called Sajde. You know the song about the alap in that song is so fire. The Rabba Labba Papayanu. I remember when I heard him sing that, I was like, this man can sing anything.
Yeah.
So he's very, very blessed, and what a voice.
Yeah.
Anyway, our voices together,
Yes.
thankfully, sound really, really good.
Yeah. And
So-
we all hope to see more and more and
I
more
hope
and
so.
more
Manifest.
of Jonathan and Arijit Singh. We don't want
Mhm.
anything else in our lives.
Yeah, maybe we'll work on something non-promotional. That's all we want.
Yeah.
Dream team.
Dream team. But let's move forward segments की तरफ. बातें तो होगी, थोड़ा segments
अच्छा,
खेल लेते
segments,
हैं. Yeah.
अच्छा।
She's like, अच्छा थोड़ी हम
मैंने
मेरे
सोचा कि
गाने
हो
की
गया
बात-
बस।
नहीं हो गया, बस थोड़ा सा ही. The hashtag show. I'll take names one, whatever comes to your mind. You have to give hashtag.
Okay.
ठीक है? वहाँ देख के देना, that camera.
Okay.
ठीक है? The hashtag
I
show.
like it. Yeah.
Hashtag for A.R. Rahman sir,
Hashtag legend.
Sunidhi Chauhan,
Hashtag diva.
Shreya Ghoshal,
Hashtag melody queen.
Sonu Nigam,
Hashtag versatile.
Diljit,
Hashtag Punjabi aa gaye hoye.
Arijit Singh,
Dream.
Ranbir Kapoor,
Charming.
Ranveer Singh,
Hashtag wild.
Anushka Sharma.
Hashtag wholesome. I don't know. I'm getting wholesome vibes from her.
Yes. Honey Singh,
Hashtag king.
Shah Rukh Khan,
Damn it. I should have said it for this. Hashtag dreamboat.
Salman Khan,
Hashtag bhai.
and lastly Badshah.
Swag.
Now the rapid fire round. Your answers
Oh.
have to be quick.
I was so fast with that, guys.
Yes.
Give me some credit. I feel like I won that game.
I give you the credit.
I was my prize.
Yes. I'll give me singing a song.
She's gonna use that for everything now. Okay, cool. Got
Rapid
it.
fire.
Huh.
One music director you wish to work with.
Santosh Narayan.
One actor you really wish to, play back for. Actor, actress, anything.
I want to not playback for. I
Yeah.
want to appear on screen for with and sing also with Ayushmann Khurrana
Wow.
because we could both sing.
Yeah.
And both be on screen.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Yeah. He's really a very nice singer.
Yeah, he's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
He's
sick. If you had the power to change one thing in this world, what would you change?
No war, only love, peace. I'm gonna get like trolled for this. I love it.
I don't think so. If you had the chance to live somebody else's life, किसकी जीना चाहेंगे?
My own, bruh. My life is very exciting.
Okay.
Every
Vada
day is
pav,
an adventure.
vada pav or pani puri?
Pani puri or golgappa, whatever.
Okay. One song from the past you wish to recreate.
I just did actually. Tu Tu hai wahi,
Okay.
and I love that song.
Any other song? जो इच्छा है बहुत मन
अच्छा
में.
तो जो किया नहीं अभी. आजा सोनिया. Remember that song? कलियां गुजारा ये रात कालियां. I love that song.
Okay. Now this is, you have to guess the Hindi translation of this English lyrics. It's
Okay.
ठीक है? So you came close, smile like
तुम
this.
पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए.
Okay. The next one. Oh God, what kind of crazy boy is he? It's so
ये लड़का है अल्लाह. That one? Really?
yeah.
ये लड़का है अल्लाह.
Nah.
Oh shit. ये लड़का है अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना. Sorry, it's okay.
Pink eyes. When I saw yours, this heart became intoxicated.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया.
क्या बात है? The last segment is the last.
The last.
Okay, are you ready?
Khalas.
खलास है इसके बाद. Wow. So the last person you stalked.
Can I check?
Yeah.
Let me give honest answers only. Keegan.
Okay.
Keegan Crasto. He's the photographer I worked with yesterday. I was stalking his profile.
The last person you.
Shout outs.
The last person you blocked.
I don't block people, bro. They block me. I don't know why I said that like it's a good thing. No one blocks me.
Okay. The last food item you ate.
What did I eat? A croissant. Croissant.
So,
That's the last thing I ate.
the last kiss. Your last kiss. What?
My friend's puppy.
Okay. Your last hug.
See what I did there? My last hug. I hugged you, no?
Yeah.
Didn't I? hug you?
Yeah. No.
Come on, hug you now. My last hug was Disha.
Your last crush. I mean the recent.
My recent crush is Michelle Marone. He's in a new movie and all his promos
I guess he's everyone's
look
crush.
very dapper.
Yes. Your last call. Who did you call the last?
Prabhash. Where's my Starbucks?
Where's your Prashant?
Where's my Prashant?
The last cheap item you bought.
Cheap, like
Very
inexpensive
cheap. Yeah.
underwear. It was
Yeah.
very. I bought a very inexpensive
Yeah.
for a
expensive item.
shoot, by the way, because it was visible underneath. And now I'm giving too much information.
Yeah.
I don't know how to save myself. But it was like literally 200 rupees.
Wow.
And it was just a layer that had to be worn under. That's why I'm calling it underwear.
Okay.
It's not actually. I think I'm making it worse. I think I should stop.
Nice.
We needed it.
The last expensive item you bought.
A bunch of custom bathrobes as a gift
Oh, okay.
to my team. Everybody who worked on Lollapalooza with me, we made custom
Okay.
robes that
Okay.
say Jonita Palooza on them.
Wow.
So one is not expensive, but the bulk amount was expensive.
Obviously.
There's a lot of people who worked on the show.
The last time you've cried. Like literally
oh.
cried.
Like properly?
Yeah.
Probably like 3 days ago. I cry a lot.
Why?
Because I felt like my life is going nowhere. It was a very temporary feeling. I know, very irrational.
Come on, Jonatha saying this is like.
But it's honest. This is how humans function. We're weird.
Yeah. You get that glow after the crying.
That's not why I cry.
Obviously, Jonatha.
Disha,
Obviously. But I'm just.
who says that?
Lastly, the last travel destination.
That I went to.
Yeah.
Can I say where I'm going? I'm going to Barcelona.
No, but the last travel destination.
In 1 week I'm going. I'm very excited.
Okay, that is fine. But the last travel destination, कहाँ गए थे? Delhi?
No, अभी मैं हैदराबाद होके आई हूँ
Okay.
3-4 दिन पहले.
कुछ special या ऐसे ही?
काम था.
काम ही था. Hyderabad is nice. From
I like
India.
Hyderabad is great too, by the way.
Yeah.
I love Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Also, I ate some really good biryani when I was there.
Yeah.
And I had dosa. I just love food. Anyways.
Okay, that is fine. And अब आप मुझे गाना सिखाएंगे या आप गाएंगे?
आपको याद नहीं, मैंने सिखा दी already.
एक बार में नहीं आता है मुझे, बट कोई बात नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ही गा दें हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए.
Just join me when you remember.
Yeah.
परवानी कर दी मैं झूठे जग दी कड़वा कड़वा लगदा सच दा मुल इत्थे नहीं जिस दिन कढ लिया चेहरा अपने नाकाब तो उस दिन मैं डूब जाना पूरी बेपरवाही चो मिले ना मिले थे प्यार लभे ना लभे कोई यार बच के रहंदियां संग दी रहंदियां मिले ना मिले थे प्यार लभे ना लभे कोई यार दिल सांभ के रख दियां जग तो मैं थकियां हुण तां बेपरवाही हाँ बेपरवाही हाँ बेपरवाही हाँ बेपरवाही हाँ हाँ.
Yay! She was singing. I was imagining again her dance video. It's that impactful.
She didn't sing with me.
No, it's not like that. That was your moment.
Okay, thank you for not stealing my thunder because you're such a good singer actually.
No, I'm not.
I appreciate it.
No.
I mean it though, you're really good.
No. You're the best.
There's no comparison.
No, it's not about that, but I just adore.
See, 2 is better than 1. We both sang together, maza aaya na?
हाँ.
So then that's it. Done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
आज तो मेरा दिन की शुरुआत इतनी बढ़िया हुई है गाने के साथ, जोनिता के साथ.
आज this is a very very शुभ दिन. It's Beparwahi Day, guys.
Yes, it's a Beparwahi Day. The song is releasing like in 2-3 hours. Next 2-3 hours.
Today.
Okay, today. But मुझे वो सौभाग्य पहले ही मिल गया कि मैंने सब देख लिया है. And I am damn sure that this is going to be in everyone's mind. हर क्लब में बजेगा. Everyone is just going to copy Jonita's steps as well. I hope उतना अच्छे से डांस कर पाए सब. But yeah.
Anybody just dance however you want to dance. Just listen to the song. That's it.
Thank you so much, Jonita.
Thank you.
मेरे साथ बात करने के लिए.
Thank you.
Disha and Filmy wishes you all the best.